In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from GCash to Western Union. Here's the key thing to know up front. You can't send directly from GCash to Western Union, but there are two safe, reliable workarounds that achieve the same result. I'll walk you through both so you can choose what fits your situation best. The first option is to move your GCash balance to your bank account, then use Western Union to send the money from that bank. Start by transferring your funds from GCash to your own bank. Give it a moment to post, since transfer times can vary. Once the money shows up, open the Western Union app and set up your transfer. Select the destination country, enter the amount, and choose the payout method, such as cash pickup. When you reach the payment step, fund the transfer using your bank. Review the fees and exchange rate before you confirm, and make sure the receiver's name matches exactly what appears on their valid ID to avoid delays at pickup. If you prefer to handle things in person, you can also visit a Western Union branch and complete the transfer using funds from your bank, depending on what payment methods your local branch accepts. The second option is straightforward. Cash out your GCash funds, go to a Western Union branch, and send the money over the counter. Cashing out simply means converting your GCash balance into physical cash through an authorized cash-out method available to you. Once you have the cash, head to a Western Union location, bring a valid ID, and fill out the send form with the receiver's accurate details. Hand over the cash and fees, then confirm everything on the receipt. You'll receive a tracking number you can share with the receiver so they can collect the money. A few tips will help whichever path you choose go smoothly. Double-check names and amounts before you submit. Compare total costs, including transfer fees and exchange rates if you're sending internationally. Be mindful of transfer and withdrawal limits on both GCash and your bank. Keep your receipt and tracking number until the receiver confirms pickup, and never share sensitive account information with anyone. To recap, you can't send directly from GCash to Western Union, but you can either transfer your GCash balance to your bank and send through the Western Union app or a branch, or cash out your GCash and send over the counter at a Western Union location. Choose the option that's most convenient and you'll be done in just a few steps.